Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G22. Start by going into Play Store on both of them and installing completely free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Following that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now finally select Send on an Android and Receive on Motorola. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and send them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on Motorola, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon on Motorola, selecting while using the upper only this time in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the QR code. But we can also just input this key over here and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive. Now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!